Hey everyone, Sarah from Easy English. Today's lesson I'm going to cover some pronunciation help with similar vowel sounds. Sounds confusing, huh? Well, some of these words I've heard people say they mispronounce them, so I'm here today to help you clear up the way that us Brits say it, and hopefully you guys will be able to pick it up yourself and sound more like a native speaker. If you haven't already, guys, please give me a thumbs up on the video if you find this useful. Don't forget that bell icon. And don't forget the subscribe button right down there. Okay, on with the lesson. Pronunciation help, similar vowel sounds. These two words sound really alike. They are wonder and wander. When you wonder, it's kind of where you're kind of thinking about something, as in, I wonder if we'll get the results we're hoping for. And when you wander, you kind of take a small, short walk. So the wandering's got a wah sound at the beginning, but when you wander and walk, it's kind of a It's a as opposed to a oh. See the the mouth shape is kind of round, and it's different for the So it's wonder, where you're wondering about something, and wander, where you're going for a short walk. Now this sound kind of separates us from the Americans. It's like the oh sound. It's in hot, pot, dot. Now I know you guys, some of you like the Cockney accent, those people from London, but if you want to speak like a native Brit, you kind of need to learn how to use this sound. It's in think. It's like a you put your tongue between your teeth. It's think. And the way the Cockneys say it, it's think. They put their teeth on here and they say think. So those are the two differences, guys. It's think, or a native Brit will say think. It means the same thing, but it's think. If you want to learn the Cockney English, if you want to speak like a Brit, it's as in think. And the next word we have is the oo sound. It's in tune, studio, YouTube. Now, the posh people and the elderly people, they have a different way of pronouncing it. But as you know, I speak modern British English. Now, the way I would say it is tune, ooh, tune, or studio, studio, and YouTube, is a ch sound, YouTube. And the other way the other people say it, they kind of really pronounce it. They say tune, or studio, or YouTube. But the way I like to say it in modern British English is tune, studio, and YouTube, or student. Okay, guys, there's different sounds in there. There's the ch, and the oon, oon. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget the thumbs up if you found this useful. Hit the subscribe button or the bell icon. And if you guys love everything British, anything to do with words, you want to increase your vocabulary, click the link up there, guys. Come join the Easy English Facebook page and the Easy English group. I appreciate your time, and thumbs up to you for listening. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.